TVNZ OnDemand app. The pros, the cons. If you love New Zealand television, the TVNZ OnDemand app puts hours of content at your fingertips, but is it the streaming experience you're looking for? One of the biggest pros is content variety. Most people get this wrong by assuming it only has local shows. In reality, the app offers news, entertainment, dramas, documentaries, and even exclusive TVNZ originals. You can watch live broadcasts or stream past episodes at your convenience. Another advantage is user-friendly features. The app supports watch lists, reminders, and recommendations based on your viewing habits. You can also stream on multiple devices, and video quality adjusts automatically to your internet speed, which is perfect for commuting or traveling. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional buffering or playback errors, especially on older devices. Ads are unavoidable in the free version, which may interrupt binge-watching sessions. Additionally, content availability can be region-restricted, meaning not all shows are accessible outside New Zealand. In conclusion, the TVNZ OnDemand app is an excellent choice for viewers who want a mix of live television and on-demand content. The surprising truth is that despite occasional technical hiccups, its content library and ease of use make it a top choice for Kiwis and fans of New Zealand media. For those who love staying updated with local shows or exploring exclusive content, the app is a must-have. Just be ready for the ads if you're not subscribed to premium options.